So, do you like salads? No? Well, I don't also. But this burrata and pesto salad is very easy to do and it's unbelievably good. So if you are thinking in doing diet, with this salad you are not going to feel that you are dieting. So come on, let's cook. So let's start with our pesto. Let's take a blender and add our basil. Next, pines, and well, the quantity is up to you. A garlic clove, Parmesan cheese, and again, the quantity is up to you. Salt, pepper, and a generous portion of olive oil. Turn on your mixer, and you should be careful not to do this in a continuous way, because if the basil gets very hot, what happens is that you are going to ruin the flavor. So do this in a pulsing way. And don't forget to taste it, because you may need to ratify some of the flavors. Now let's slice a tomato. Next, let's cut in half some cherry tomatoes. Take a plate and spread a little bit of arugula, or if you prefer, any kind of green that you like. Add your tomato slices, then the cherry tomatoes. Don't forget to season it with salt and pepper. And for the star of the show, our burrata cheese, which is very creamy and very flavorful. It works very good in this kind of salad. But if you prefer, you can use mozzarella. Next, a bit of croutons, which are going to add a very crunchy texture to our salad. Next, our pesto sauce. And obviously, olive oil. A bit of oregano, I think it's how it's called in English, I really don't know. A little bit of basil leaves, just for decoration. And just look at this beauty, isn't this a beautiful salad? So here you have it, one more recipe, very simple to do and very light to start our 2023 in a healthier way. My name is Miguel Teles, this is Tuga Kitchen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.